Welcome to the Salon Range how-to videos. Videos that will hopefully make you a better hairdresser. Okay, in this video we're going to be looking at how to hold your equipment. Most importantly, the comb, the scissors and the clips. The reason why we have all of this stuff on us is that it's just easy to access. These are the main equipment that you're going to need to be performing any haircut. Everything is held in one hand, both the comb and the scissors. And there's a really nice way for transitioning between the short teeth to the wide teeth. And it is simply turning the comb like this. The way that we work from your fine tooth to the wide tooth is quite simply, you place this finger underneath the comb and you press it up so that now you are holding with your thumb and your index finger, and then with this finger you move it behind and then return to the start. There's two main ways of holding the scissors. You can hold them like this, or you can hold them like this. Holding them like this is the way that I would like to try and teach you today. It's very simple because by doing it this way, you're actually keeping the blades away from the client's face. Okay, so now we're going to look to returning the scissors back to the safety part. Now what you're doing is, when you're in this position, this is going to be your finished position, either like that or like that. And it's simply a case of, like the comb, with this finger, you flick it back to that position like that. And then if you want to return it, it is just a case of doing that. It's a little flick of the wrist to return it back to its position. So it's like that, and that's it. So when you actually come to do the haircut, with both of the implements in your hand, you're not going to be able to cut the hair. So the way that you do it is, you do your sectioning, you get the hair ready, you lift the hair, and then when you're at the point of holding the hair, you transfer the comb into your thumb, like that. With the comb now held securely in this hand is free to perform any of the cuts. The next piece of equipment is the clips. Now the clips can be stored about your person, or they can actually be stored on the cutting collar of the client. You are able to store the clips on your sleeve, like this. And obviously, if the client's wearing a collar, then you just clip it onto the collar. So that's it. That's covered the main equipment that you're going to need to perform a haircut. As you can see, it's all for convenience, speed, safety, and just looking good. And flamboyancy is a main part of hairdressing. So if you can learn these techniques, you're going to be a better hairdresser all round.